Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kylie, and today I'm going to be demoing and reviewing and giving you some information on the Kylie Skin set. It's been out forever, I know, but I just got news that they're coming to Ulta, and that is so exciting. You will definitely be able to grab your Kylie Skin, and I'm very excited. So Kylie Skin has definitely come out with a couple more products than I have with me. So I'm just gonna share with you her first launch and what she launched with. So she came out with a set with 6 items, and then as an additional she came out with a cosmetic skincare bag to put everything in, and she also came out with makeup wipes. Didn't get the makeup wipes, didn't get the cosmetic bag, and then she launched a couple months later her body scrub, a sunscreen, and then a body oil using a new product that was sent to me for free. It's a company, they just reached out to me. They said, hey, we want to send you this product if you want to review it on your channel. Cool. And I was like, okay, send it over. The product that I'm talking about is called the Duvolle Radiance Skin Care System, and it is a really nice system that is to cleanse the face. This is how it looks like here. Just obviously way more affordable, and it comes with a lot of nifty things. About these spin, I feel like this is very unique, and I don't know if I'm going to be using the exfoliating one every day. Today I definitely felt my skin was very rough, and I'm happy that I did do the exfoliating one because it really like buffed out all of my dead skin and everything. And so you're going to see me reviewing it here. I'm using the exfoliating brush. I really love this brush because I feel like it exfoliated, like especially on my chin, like all of like my dead skin, and especially on my forehead, like all the cracks and stuff. It has softer hairs, and it's good for everyday cleansing. They're interchangeable, which is really nice, and these are perfect for every day. You can use them every single day and they're not going to irritate your skin. What I'm going to be using in conjunction with the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, they sent me a coupon. I'm going to provide it down below, so if you guys want to get this and you're interested and you've like been wanting to try like a skincare brush, but they're all freaking expensive, like the Oreo and the Supersonic, you're like, where the heck am I going to cough up like 150 or however much they cost? Like, it's over 100, and sometimes that's just too much money for all of us out here. Duvolle sent me a coupon. You know we love coupons around here. So this is going to be a 70% off. What? 70? So this coupon gives you 70% off on all the styling tools and the Radiance Skin Care System. The promo code is 70affection. Again, the promo code is right here, 70affection. And you know how much it comes out to? $28.50. Online, this is a $95 brush, and they're giving me a 70% off. Like, thank you so much, Duvolle. What's cool about this is this actually spins 360 degrees. So if you can't tell, see? At first I was like, is this going to be exfoliating? Girl, it is exfoliating. So be very careful if you have super sensitive skin. I would just do this in the areas where you're a little bit more rough, like me, like on the chin and on the forehead, and then I would use the cleansing brush everywhere else. If you have more sensitive skin, I'd just use the cleansing brush. They're interchangeable, so you can just take them off and wash this, so you don't even have to get this wet. It has like a rubber grip, so you can hold it, so just in case your hands get slippery, you can hold it and have it on a grip, which is really nice. I really like it. So the first product that I'm going to use is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. This is a luxurious foaming face wash. It's infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, and it's packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve the elasticity of the skin. It's a gentle formula. It cleanses the skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. How you want to use this, you want to dampen your skin, make sure your skin is wet, and gently massage in a circular motion. And I used that with this guy, the Duvolle skincare system here. which I really liked. I feel like it exfoliated a lot. Don't know if I'm extremely in love with the foaming cleanser, because when I do put it on, it kind of irritates my skin and it feels like prickly. Like it feels like a whole bunch of like acupuncture like on my skin. And so that's never happened to me with any skincare before, so I'm thinking that maybe it's like the kiwi in it. I'm not really sure, because I've used a lot of things with vitamin C and E, and I'm thinking that maybe it's like the kiwi that kind of like does that to my skin. It's not super long lasting, but it's just honestly, when I have it on my skin, doesn't like do anything crazy, like makes me red or breaks me out or gives me hives or anything. It just feels like really prickly for some reason, and it's super weird because the formula is very soft and it feels super foamy, and on my hands it feels really good, but on my face like it feels more prickly, so I don't know. Now right after we cleanse, we are going to be using the Kylie Skin Walnut Face Scrub. This caused so much commotion, and I just want to say I don't really know why it caused so much commotion, because Peter Thomas Ross has a walnut scrub and I don't hear anybody talking about him. So can we not? Thank you. Everybody always trying to hate on us, sister. Like, let him make a millions and make a skincare line. My gosh. A couple things about this. It's gentle yet effective walnut exfoliator. It's essential for achieving a fresh face. It's packed with a cocktail of anti-inflammatory ingredients and skin smoothing fruit extracts that buff away the dead skin cells to reveal a soft, radiant complexion. And I definitely agree with this. The only thing that I don't like about this is that I feel like it's kind of a pain in the ass to take off, because there's a whole bunch of like those little granules of walnut, and I'm just like, oh. Like if anything, I wish they were a little thicker so you can like wash them away. But that's the only thing that's annoying about this. But this works. This is amazing. This definitely takes off like all my dead skin cells. I had a whole bunch of like blackheads that I was feeling like earlier, and I used it and really like scrubbed it, and you could see me using it now, and I'm in love with this. I think that this is a great product. Definitely a steal for me. Didn't irritate my skin, didn't do anything crazy, no cuts, no nothing. Like, it didn't do anything. This is what it did do, is take away all my dead skin cells and take away my blackheads on my chin. So get this, is good. Now right after we remove the walnut cleanser, we are going to be going in with the vanilla milk toner. This toner is a very weird toner. It kind of reminds me of like being like a serum or something weird. I've never seen a toner like this. I think it smells really good because this one definitely smells like vanilla-y, milky kind of scent to it, but it's a little different. I like it, but I don't know if I love it. When I use a toner, I don't want it for moisture, because that's what my moisturizer and serums do. I want the toner to like take away my dark spots. That's what I look for in a toner, so I don't think this one does that. What it claims to do is an alcohol-free, which is great. Most toners do have alcohol, but I like the alcohol because it takes away my blemishes. So this is an alcohol-free facial toner. It helps replenish the look and feel of your skin. It's formulated with avocado oil, kiwi seed oil, and apple extract to help soothe, tone, and restore natural hydration. This toner helps unclog, purify, and minimize the appearance of pores. And you want to use this after a cleansing, obviously, and after the walnut scrub and stuff. But if I have a moisturizer and a serum, I don't need this, because my face is going to be super hydrated, and I don't need all the hydration, because the bitch is hydrated all the time anyway, aka oil, aka sweat. Yeah, but it's okay. Right after we do the toner, we're gonna go in with the vitamin C serum right here. So this serum is a vitamin C serum. It's packed with powerful ingredients that penetrate the skin to help brighten, reduce any redness, stimulate collagen, and help improve overall skin health. You just apply a small pump each morning and the evening to the entire face, and I love this guy. I think that this is really nice, helps to smooth my skin, helps to take away like my fine lines and my forehead and everything. I really do like it, and it honestly reminds me exactly like the Peter Thomas Ross serum, the Potent C serum that costs like $95, something freaking crazy. Literally, it feels just like it. Second to last step is gonna be eye cream. Loving this eye cream. This is a revitalizing eye cream for the ultimate recipe under your eyes. This unique formula contains a blend of caffeine, green tea, vitamin E, and pomegranate extracts that help to brighten, hydrate, reduce puffiness, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, yes, it took away all my wrinkles, it took away all my puffiness, it woke me up, because to be honest with you, first of all, I barely use it. Second of all, I barely use eye cream in general. The third of all, a bitch don't get no sleep. Fourth of all, I don't got any wrinkles or any puffiness or any fine lines yet because I'm young still. I'm just telling you the properties that it's supposed to do, not for me, what I want an eye cream to do. Literally, eye creams just don't do anything for me because I don't really need an eye cream yet, but I use them because I want to. Now, the last product that we are going to use before we put makeup, this freaking moisturizer is amazing. Okay, amazing. Did I think that I was gonna like it as much as I do? Hell no. But do I? Hell yeah. It is so bomb. This is the Kylie Skin Face Moisturizer. I think it is amazing. It like hydrates my skin, doesn't feel too thick, but it feels like thick enough that it feels like a cream. It moisturizes everything. It like fills in all the lines. It just makes me look so smooth and moisturized and ready for the day. Takes away like all my dryness from my forehead, and it doesn't feel like heavy. It's not super slick. It lasts really well under makeup. Like this paired with the Fenty Mattifying Primer. Deep hydrating daily moisturizer. It's suitable for all skin types. The formula conditions the skin for a soft to touch finish without any excess oil. It has oat and orange peel extracts to help smooth and soften the skin. It has shea butter, which helps to moisturize, and you can use it in the morning to create the perfect base for your makeup, or you can use it before bed for continuous hydration while you sleep. Now, I don't like to put any moisturizers before I go to bed because I feel like when I wake up, like I break out. With this, I didn't. I just don't never put moisturizer before I go to bed. So I'm not gonna start now, but I really do love this underneath makeup. The only thing I don't like about this is the actual packaging and the component, because I feel like when I squeeze it out, a lot of times it doesn't squeeze out because like a lot of the product is down here, and like I feel like it doesn't have like a string or something. I don't know, not like a string, but like that plastic thing that it goes all the way down to the top. So I don't know what's up with that, but I always have to like shake the whole product to go to the bottom and then like go in and loving the aesthetic of it all. I do think that these products are really good. Do I feel like they're great for beginners? Absolutely. Do I feel like they're great for like people that like already have their skincare and that use like La Mer and like use like specific products? I definitely think that this is up to you. I feel like this is a great like beginner to skincare, which I feel like I'm always gonna be a beginner to skincare because I don't really do skincare that much because I don't really like need it yet. I mean, I feel like I don't need it yet. I probably do, but and it's especially exciting that then now they're coming to Ulta. So if you do want to try them out, get ready. It's gonna knock your socks off. They're coming to Ulta. And also KKW Beauty's coming to Ulta too, so I'm so excited for that. You don't even know. fun series coming up on my channel. It's called A Gift from a Virgo Queen. It's going to be a series of like birthday stuff that I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you more about it in the next video that I post with this makeup look that I did. But if you guys are interested in that, make sure you check out. I'm going to leave it down below, and it also should be up a couple days after I post this video. So I'm very excited, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of when I post new videos, and I hope my little Bembas have a blessed day.